In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart from 2021, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this device. So first of all, you need to open the camera app, and then find and select settings icon, and here you need to locate timer. It is right here. So smoothly click on it to open, and now decide if you want to apply 2 seconds delay, 5 seconds delay, or maybe 10 seconds delay. I will choose 10 seconds delay. Let's go back, and as you can see, from now on the picture will be grabbed after 10 seconds. And it has been done. Then whenever you would like to turn it off, just mark the settings again, go to timer and tap on off. As you can see, from now on you can smoothly grab picture within 1 second, even less. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.